Hey my friends, how you doing? Here's a quick update about my Magic Autumn Light Masterclass, and this is for everybody who doesn't want to have an account on another page and who doesn't want to have a subscription even if it is free at the moment. I completely understand where you're coming from. So I put my course on Gumroad so you can buy it and download the video files and keep them forever. All of the videos are in 1080p, so you have great quality. It's 13 videos, altogether 53 minutes of learning, and you get a file with all the links to the source files and to my Reddit group where you can post the results and get feedback from me and from other users and also see the progress of others. So all in all, a really great bundle of content. And by the way, I put it at a greatly reduced introductory price, so until the end of the month, take advantage of that. And I also want to answer the question, why isn't the course on YouTube? Well, there's two reasons for that. First of all, YouTube isn't built around learning in long format videos, and the YouTube algorithm would punish me for doing so. Let me explain how that works. The average YouTube user, and I know this from statistics, I also know this from talking to other creators and from my own experience, the average user is watching videos between 5 and 7 minutes. So if I put up a video that is 60 minutes long and a user only watches for 5 minutes, the YouTube algorithm says people don't like your content, and the rating of my channel would drop and YouTube wouldn't suggest my videos anymore to other viewers because YouTube thinks I create bad content. If I would split up the video in several videos, so each video is only 10 minutes long, again, less and less people would watch every video because of course they wouldn't watch the other videos if they're not interested in the topic. So I would upload videos, but they would not get watched. Again, the YouTube algorithm would say you upload content that people don't want to watch. So again, my rating would drop and YouTube wouldn't suggest my videos anymore. So this would really hurt me. On the other hand, Skillshare is specifically built around a great learning experience. And this is what I want for my students, that they have a great experience. And also as a teacher, I really want to put it in the right format and in the right hands. And Skillshare is made for that. So when you look at the platform, you can see that, for example, the videos are split up in chapters, which is required by Skillshare. It's psychologically really important, and psychology and learning have a very dense connection with each other. So you want to be rewarded, you want to feel great about your learning progress, and chapters do that for you because you can make a schedule for yourself and say, well, I do 1 or 2 or 3 chapters today, and then I come back tomorrow to another 2 or 3 chapters. You can feel good about finishing these chapters. That's very, very important for learning progress. Another thing is that you can take notes on every position in the video and write down your notes, and Skillshare will put these in a list so you can see all the notes you've taken for the video. So this is also great, and also others can see those notes. And also you can post your intermediate or final results so others can see it, they can give feedback, you can give feedback, and of course the teacher also can give feedback because you are a learning community together. And again, psychologically, that is a great thing to have. First of all, getting the feedback is great, but also knowing I'm in a learning community with others, they do the same thing, we can help each other, that just feels great. Not just being on your own, but being part of a group who wants to improve their skills. So for that reason, Skillshare is really great as a learning experience, but I understand if you don't want to have a Skillshare account, so you can buy the course and keep it and download it and do it that way. Okay, thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed this little update and see you in the next video. Bye.